Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for today's adventure. Today we're at Ghirardelli Square. So we're going to walk through here. It's a famous chocolate company here in San Francisco. So we're going to take a little quick walk through the square. They got sundaes that you can get, hot fudge sundaes, world famous. Chocolate shop right over here. Cheese School. San Francisco lunch, dinner. Good place to eat over here. Might have to check that out. I'm extremely hungry right now. McCormick. Pretty sweet fountain that they got in the center. Got a seafood place over to the right. There's the big sign that lights up at night. Got some cornholing going on over here. Mashka jewelry. To Beach Street and restrooms. You guys need to take a right if you guys need to do that. Upper level plaza over here. They got the tea house, seafood cocktails. And a coffee shop up over on the left. Elizabeth W over on the right. A bunch of little shops and stuff. Mill building from 1864. And San Francisco's own brewing company. So not a huge little spot here, but still pretty big enough. Some wine and spirit shop up here. So I guess we'll work our way back around to the front here. See if I'm missing something here. I feel like I'm missing something. Cocoa building from 1900 up over on the right hand side here. This one up over on the left is from like 1861 or something like that. Oh look, I'll tell you. It's like there's arcade downstairs. Oh, and it is a lower level plaza. I told you guys I was missing something. Yeah, 1861 is that building. Except for that seafood place. But there's another level down here. Apparently not. Lower level plaza. Market Studio SF. Helper's Bazaar. Subpar. And Peekadoodle Kids Club. Oh, this must be it over here. Sorry, I've never been here, so I'm just kind of touring it myself here, guys. Beach Street parking garage right there. Just that seafood place, it looks really, really nice in there. Awesome views of the bay. Look at that. And a good view of Alcatraz. more steps. Look at Loeb, the CVS pharmacy. I'll have to stop and grab something to drink. I'm thirsty. But anyway, I think that's where we'll leave off with today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, be sure to give a thumbs up on the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and as always, we'll catch you on the next one.